Recently, I was forced to remove my own old acrylic nails at home all on my own. It was my first time and I'm really glad I did it. However, I realized my natural nails were weak and damaged. It was important to me to find a nail therapy solution that was easy and quick, and I'm excited to show you how I got my nails from this to that. If you're interested in learning more, keep watching. It is funny how the universe works, because when I got this kit from Hansen, I thought to myself, when am I going to use this? Because I love having acrylic nails, but little did I know that quarantine would happen and I would need to use this therapy collection, and it has come handy and has taken my nails to a whole new level and healed it from the inside out. There are 6 steps to healthy nails and cuticles. Pre-color step 1. Use the nail primer to smooth and even out your nail canvas. You only need to apply 1 coat. Pre-color step 2. Use the nail corrector to conceal and correct nail pigmentation. Apply 1 coat. Pre-color step 3. Use the strengthening base coat for a healthy strengthening start to your manicure. For days when you're in a rush, skip step 1 and step 2, which is the nail primer and nail corrector, and go directly to the strengthening base coat. But I suggest, if you want the full benefits, to not bypass step 1 and step 2. Use that nail primer and nail corrector and then finish off with the strengthening base coat. Whether you decided to just use the strengthening base coat or all 3 beautifiers, you have created the perfect foundation for the sheer collection. I am so excited. We are moving on to color. Shown here are the 2 colors that I received. They are called Give Me a Tint, which is a muted lavender color, and Bear Kiss, which is the perfect pale pink, and I decided to go with the Bear Kiss. Okay, now for the fun part. Apply 1 full coat of color, allow 2 to 3 minutes to dry, and then apply a second coat and make sure to let the nail polish dry thoroughly. There are 45 color therapy shades to choose from, a beautiful variety of sheers to opaque shades. Each color therapy nail polish contains their patented argan oil formula that infuses intensive nourishment and instant moisture for healthy looking nails. You can get up to 10 days of fade-proof, chip-resistant wear, and I definitely found this claim to be true. Make sure to care for your nails post-color by using either Color Therapy's High Gloss Top Coat or their Strengthening Top Coat to complete your nail care routine. Since my nails are in a weakened state from removing my old acrylic nails, I decided the Strengthening Top Coat would be the best fit. It will seal the Bear Kiss Sheer Nail Polish shade I chose earlier with strengthening perfection. However, if you want to give your coat high shine, then opt for the High Gloss Top Coat instead. Did you know that cuticle care is the secret to strong, healthy nails? Apply nail and cuticle serum to hydrate your nails and cuticles. This makes the perfect ending to your manicure. Make sure to massage the serum right into your cuticles, nice and easy. My nails feel great and they look beautiful, and I'm so excited about Sally Hansen's new color therapy beautifiers and sheer collection. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!